Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 2 assignment of the course cloud computing. Guys, for the past 5 years we have been providing solutions for various NPTEL courses including cloud computing as well. So these are completely our probable solutions guys. If there are any changes, we will definitely update that in the comment section. So before final submission, once again check the comment section for any updates available. You can also suggest your own solutions if you feel there should be any changes to be made. So guys, please subscribe our channel. Definitely like the video guys, because if you like the video, then only our videos will reach further more number of students so that they will also get benefited like you. Let's see the first question. The public cloud has a risk of multi-tenancy. So it is option A, true guys. Guys, please watch the video till the end. Don't skip the video guys, because if we make any changes in between the video, you can be able to note that. So mark option A as the probable solution for first question. Guys, please share this with your friends and classmates. So please share our channel videos so that your friends and classmates will also be able to watch these videos. So second one, Ubuntu Enterprise Cloud UEC is an example of what? So it's an example of private cloud as well. Private cloud. Next, third question. Organizations should consider network dependency, risks from multi-tenancy while thinking of deploying an outsourced private cloud. Is that true or false? So it is absolutely true guys. So both the points are valid. So both 1 and 2 we can consider. Next, fourth one. Which of the following is or XML parser APIs? So the answer is option B. DOM, document object model. So mark option B guys. Next, fifth one. So guys, before getting into this fifth question, I want to make a small announcement. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs. Exam preparation MCQs. So for the course cloud computing, we have prepared the exam preparation MCQs guys. So with 5 years of NPTEL experience. So these are the combination of past NPTEL MCQs as well as our own handmade MCQs extracted from NPTEL lectures, completely 100% based on NPTEL syllabus guys. So here you're going to get a huge number of 300 MCQs guys. 300 MCQs in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. So for if you take it for one person access, it will be 300 rupees guys. If you take it along with your friends or classmates as a group of 2 to 5 persons, it will be just 500 rupees combinedly guys. So please ask your friends and classmates to join along with you in a group. So one person from your group mail me to this email ID guys. bk179417 at the rate gmail.com. Mail me to this email id if you're confirmed to make the purchase. So already hundreds of students have taken our various PDF packs guys. So many students got benefited through our videos and PDFs. So this is the mail id guys. The validity will be till the exam results day. Such option is also provided. It is also easy to revise. So remember this guys. So 300 MCQs Google Drive in a Google Drive PDF restricted link you will get for one person 300 rupees guys. For 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500. So you can share reduced amount if you share this PDF access along with your friends. So each one will get the same 300 MCQs guys. So the mail is bk179417 at the rate gmail.com. If you want the another pack, that is YouTube membership pack available guys, here you will only get 100 plus MCQs, but 89 rupees only for one person for 1 month and only available in video format. If you want this YouTube membership, you have to join our channel. No need to mail me. You can directly go and join the channel. So this is the process I will show you. So go to S Kumar Edu page. So beside the subscribe button there is a join button. So click on this join button. Then a short window will appear like this, a small window. Select the second one, videos only for members pack, that is 89 per month pack, and again click on this blue color join button and make payment directly to YouTube, not to me. That's it. You'll become member of our channel and you can get access to all of our members only videos. Here you can see, so we have uploaded many videos, right? including cloud computing part 2 and part 1 is also available, guys. So you can get all the subject videos for the same 89 rupees, no extra charge needed. But my suggestion is, if you are preparing in a final exam point of view but not in a sample pack, you can directly take this 300 MCQs pack, guys, because more syllabus will be covered. So three huge number of 300 MCQs you'll get for 300 rupees for one person. For 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500 rupees. So this is the mail ID, guys. If you want YouTube membership, you can join the channel directly, like I have shown in the previous scenes, right? So that's it, guys. Now let's get back to the solutions. So fifth one, what is the main difference or differences between virtualization and dual boot? So option D, in virtualization, both operating systems run simultaneously, but not in dual boot. So mark option D. Sixth one, in virtualization, a virtual machine monitor is also called as what? So for sixth question, option A is the probable solution, hypervisor. So mark option A as the probable solution for sixth question. Next, seventh one. Speed and flexibility are the two disadvantages of hardware assisted virtualization. Is that true or false? It is absolutely true, guys. Next, eighth one. The following problems are addressed through web services. Is that true or false? I mean, they're asking the following problems. So which are the following problems that addresses the web services? So if you say option A, firewall, option B, interoperability, and option C, complexity. So all these three, guys, not the fourth one. Except the fourth one, all these remaining three are probable solutions. Next, ninth question. A web service can be discovered using what? So web server can be discovered using UDDI, right? So mark option D, guys. Moving on to the final question of the assignment, that is 10th. Service oriented architecture, SOA, consists of relationships between. So the answer is option C, guys. Three entities. What are they? A service provider, a service requester, and a broker. So that's it. So friends, mark option C. So guys, these are the solutions for week 2 assignment of the course cloud computing. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel. Definitely like the video and please share this with your friends and classmates. And don't forget to purchase this huge number of 300 MCQs Google Drive PDF restricted link pack. For one person it is 300, guys. For 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500, guys. So this is the mail ID to purchase the pack, bk179479@gmail.com. If you want YouTube sample membership, you can join the channel. So that's it, guys. So keep supporting us like this and please share this news along with your friends and classmates. And until the next video, goodbye. Thank you.